Hello everyone, my name is Rinsha from XandY Learning 9th Batch 2. Today the topic of my team presentation, Mars is the most Earth-like planet and endorses the potential of becoming a new home to humans. All the resources necessary to sustain life are readily available on Mars surface. What are the challenges to forecast before thinking of colonization on Mars?
Hi, I'm IITians. First of all, Mars isn't just a red planet. It's a dead one. Mars will be challenging to live on. Its atmosphere is almost 100 times less dense than Earth. The temperature is average minus 81 degree Fahrenheit. And it has 63% less gravity. All of those conditions combined with lack of liquid water and oxygen creates really a tough terrain for life to survive in.
Thankfully, there are ways we can learn to adapt to these conditions. One such way is through the Houghton Mars project, which invites 100 participation to live and work in conditions very similar to Martian terrain every summer. The Houghton crater resembles the Mars surface in more ways than any other place on Earth. The project site explains by living and working in this environment, participation experienced the challenge of life on Mars firsthand, including living in habitats and wearing suits that mimic and decreased gravity of the Martian atmosphere. Every participation brings back valuable data that will one day be used to create the first human settlement on Mars.
Radiation is the biggest problem we'll have to solve in order to live on Mars. On our planet, we are protected from radiation by Earth's magnetic field. Radiation can cause mutation in DNA which can lead to cancer, nausea, resulting in bodily fluid and visual impairments. None of these things are good for astronauts trying to survive a mission to Mars. On Mars, radiation dose can be up to 700 times higher than they are here on Earth.
Since Mars does not have a protective magnetic field like Earth, the radiation on the planet is almost high as in space. The Crewboard International Space Station has been conducting experiments around mixing a cement concoction in microgravity. This may be done using soil on Mars to build structure that would protect the interplanetary explorers, not just from the harsh weather of planet, but radiation as well.
Yet for all of those difficulties, the excitement of making the red planet home inspires smart, dedicated people like Musk to create solutions. The more problems we identify now with our potential life on Mars, the better our chances for survival will be when we get there. Thank you.